Hey guys, Susie here, and today I'm showing you guys a quick Yankee Candle wax melt haul. We actually just got back from the outlet shops here, and I stopped in the Yankee Candle store, and they had some amazing deals on some Yankee Candle items, so I was really excited about that. Also picked up a sweatshirt from H&M, but that's not going to be in this haul, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm sure that you're going to see it on there. But actually, I got all these wax melts and the sweatshirt for free because there was a promotional offer thing going on at the outlets where you got a free $20 gift card. And these wax melts were 12 for $8, which is amazing. They're usually about $1.99, I think, each at the Myers store by my house. And they were 67 cents each at the Yankee Candle outlets. So I want to share with you guys what I picked up. There's a couple fall scents in here and then a couple of other scents. The thing about Yankee Candle outlets is that you'll notice that the scents are the same scents that you would find in the Yankee Candle store. However, because it's the outlet store, they have different names, and performance-wise, I think they're pretty comparable. I don't think they're any less fragrant or anything than the ones in the Yankee Candle store. All the ones I picked out smelled really good. I think they just have to kind of change the name or whatever just because it's the outlet store. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. But yeah, as you can see, they were pretty much all 60 something cents. So I spent total of $8.46 and got 12 wax melts in here. So go ahead and we'll take them out and I'll show you guys what I picked up really quick. And I'm really excited because I won't have to buy wax melts for a pretty long time, so that's really exciting. So yeah, we'll start over here. So this one is Moonlit Garden, which I think I actually have seen this one in the Yankee Candle store before, or it might be called like Midnight Garden or something, but this one's really nice. It's a kind of floral scent to it. Yeah, it smells really good. So, and they're about this big. They are 0.8 ounces. So this is good for quite a few burns. This is going to last me, I would say, at least a week or so in the burner, I would think, using it like constantly. So got that one. Got this one is Ripe Berries. This one, as you can tell by the name, smells like some ripe berries. It literally smells like strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. Smells really good. This one is the Forbidden Apple. It's a limited edition. It just has a really light green apple scent to it, but that'll be good for the fall as well. And this one is Candy Corn. So this one is specially for Halloween. Kind of has like a, I mean, it definitely smells like candy corn. It has this like candy smell to it. The next one is April Showers. Really good. It smells super fresh and clean, just like a fresh scent to it. This one is Autumn Glow. I think this is an actual scent, I think, at the actual store. It smells really good. It smells a little bit like a perfumey kind of scent to it, but it has this nice, like, I don't know, like just a really nice fall scent to it. I can't even describe it, but it smells wonderful. This one is Vanilla Lime Sorbet. My husband actually picked this one out. So as it sounds like a vanilla kind of lime scent to it. Smells really good. Really nice, like, fresh scent. This one is Sweet Watermelon. As you can tell by the name, it smells like watermelon, not sounds like it. This is Yankee Candle Fresh Salted Caramel. Now this one smells amazing. This is going to smell really, really good this fall because caramel, oh, it just smells so good. And then this one is Coral Shores. Okay, so like for instance, this one, normally I really like Pink Sands, which smells exactly like this one, but this one's called Coral Shores. It's literally the same scent, made by Yankee Candle, but it has a different name because it's in the outlet store. But this one is the like really tropical, beachy scent. Love this scent. It's one of my favorite scents. I love it. This one will be good for the holidays. So this is Mistletoe. It smells like pine. It smells amazing. I am definitely going to be saving this one for when it gets closer to Christmas time. And then the very last one, I think this one is actually a scent also like in the actual store. And these are made with pure natural extracts, it says. So this is Cuban Mojito. Just kind of smells like a, well, like a mojito. It kind of has like a lime, a nice like lime, fresh kind of tropical drink scent to it. So yeah, that's all of the wax melts that I got. I'm really excited to get all these just for $8. I think that's an amazing deal for Yankee Candle. So if you guys have a Yankee Candle outlet in your area, definitely check it out. You can find some really awesome deals there and get some really good fall scents there. They had some nice pumpkin scents as well. I just didn't get it because I already have some things that smell like pumpkin and I just really didn't need any more scents like that. But very amazing deal, some amazing deals there, and like I said, I didn't have to pay for any of these because I got a promotional card, so definitely a really good deal. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.